everyone. In previous classes, we have learned four basics of measurement: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Today we are going to word problem of the of exercise 8.2, which are based on four basics. Four basic operation: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So let us we start from part A. Weight of rice 12 kg. Question 5, part A. Weight of rice equal to 12 kg, 250 gram. Weight of pulses equal to 10. Weight of pulses is 5 kg, 750 gram. Weight of sugar equal to 10 kg, 850 gram. 10 kg, 850 gram. What is the total weight of the bag? Total weight. Weight of the item or bag. Where is asking total, then we will add of the items. 0, 0, 0, 0, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 10, 10 of or 5, 15, 15 of 5 carry over 1. 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 18 of 8 carry over 1. 5 or 2, 7, 8, 8 plus 0, 8. 1 and 1, 2. 28 kg, 850 gram. Answer is 28 kg, 850 gram. Now question part B of this question. Sheena purchased 2 kg 500 mg of gold, 1 kg 750 gram of silver, 250 gram of platinum. What is the total weight? Weight of gold. Question 2. Weight of gold. How much weight of gold is? 220 gram, 500 milligram. Weight of silver. Equal to, weight of silver is given 1 kg 750 gram. 1 kg 750 gram. Next, weight of platinum. Weight of platinum is 250 gram. Now, total weight equal to, because 20 gram 500 mg, 1 kg 750 gram, 250 gram. First we will put according to the weight 20 gram and 500 mg. 1 kg will be separate. 1 kg because all units are given gram and mg. 750 gram we will put below the gram. 250 gram 250 gram. Now add 500 mg, 0, 12 of 2 carry of 1, 3, 7, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 of 0 carry over 1, 2 kg, 20 gram and 500 mg is answer. Now part C. Part C is a 2.5 liter cold drink was bought for distribution to the guests. After the guest left, 250 ml of the cold drink was left. And how much the guest consume? How much cold drink the guest consume of the cold drink? Now, quality, volume of capacity of the cold drink. Capacity of equal to 2 liter 500 milliliter. 2 liter 500 milliliter. And consumed left, cold drink was left. Cold drink was left equal to 250 ml. We can write here 0 liter. And cold drink was consumed. Equal to left and consumed. How much cold drink was consumed? 0. 4 is left. 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 2, 2 and 2. 2 liter 250 milliliter cold drink was consumed with the guest. Part D is a tank was filled with 4 kiloliter, 500 liter of water, 278 liter, 900 milliliter was used. How much of water is left? Capacity of water tank of water tank. 4 kiloliter and 500 liter. Capacity. Water was used. Water is used. How much water is used? Water is used 278 liter 900 milliliter. 278 liter 900 milliliter. And how much water is left? Water is left in the tank. Equal to, there is 4 kiloliter, we will put kiloliter, liter and milliliter. 4 liter is 500, milliliter is not here. 278 liter 900 milliliter. And there is no any number below the kiloliter, so we will put 0. 0, 0, 10, 10, 9, 10 minus 9, 1, and there is 9 is left, 9 here is left, 4. 9 minus 8, 1, 9 minus 7, 2, 4 minus 2 is 2, 4. 4 kiloliter, 220 liter and 100 milliliter was his water is left in the tank. Now part E, Ravi walked 5 kilometer 275 meter on Monday, 3 kilometer 890 meter on Tuesday, 515 meter on Wednesday. What is the total coverage by Ravi all these days? Part E. Part E is Ravi walked on Monday. Ravi walked on Monday. 4 kilometer, 5 kilometer and 275 meter. Ravi walked on Tuesday equal to 3 kilometer 800 kilometer 890 meter. Ravi walked on Wednesday equal to 915 meter. So there is no any numbers, we will put 0 of kilometer. He covers total coverage by Ravi equal to 5, 5, 10, 10 of 0 carry over 1, 8, 9, 17, 17 plus 1, 18 carry over 1, 8 to 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 11 plus 9, 20, 20 of 2, 0 carry over 2, 5, 7, 5 to 7, 7 or 3, 10. 10 kilometer and 80 meter, 10 kilometer, 80 meter is distance covered by Ravi. Now part F. A tailor used 2 meter 25 centimeter of cloth for the stitching a suit, 1 meter 75 meter of the shirt, and 45 centimeter of hanky. What is the total length of the cloth used? Part F. Cloth was used by tailor. Used in suit equal to 2 meter 25 centimeter. 2 meter 25 centimeter. Cloth was used in shirt equal to 1 meter 75 centimeter. 75 centimeter. Cloth was used in hanky equal to 45 centimeter. 45 centimeter. Total cloth was used equal to 5, 5, 10 or plus 5, 15 carry over 1, 10 plus 2, 9, 10, 10 or 4, 14 carry over 1, 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 4. Cloth was used by the tailor 4 meter 45 centimeter. Students, I hope you have understood of this exercise and do practice at home. Thank you and have a nice day.